I'm fine. I go numb when I'm not with you, and I get along with all my issues. Am I really wrong if I just can't do good?
Welcome back to my channel. So let's get into this. We're gonna be doing a hair review today on this hair that I've been waiting on to do since now. I got it like last year and I haven't did a review on it at all, so I want to go ahead and do that now. I thought I'd go ahead and do it since I just got done filming this hair and makeup tutorial, so that will be posted either before this video or after. I'm not sure how I want to do it, but I thought I'd go ahead and film another one. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Kimi K. You can call me Key, and if you are a returning K-bird, thank you for coming back to my channel. So this wig is going to be from Zury Sis. It is their Naturally Star V-shaped lace front. It is the style GOGO curl in the #1, and it does say that this is a lace front. This is the stock card up close, just what it looks like, and then this is going to be the back. So this is starting out how the wig looks. It just has tightly like little curls. It is on the textured side, so it is like a natural yaki texture. So starting out on the inside, you do have actually 3 combs. You do have 2 over here by the part, and then you have 1 right here. And then in the back, you do have your comb with the adjustable straps. With this wig, it does say that you get like a C part. So the lace is going to be like a medium brown, and then right here is where your part is going to be at. So this is what it's going to look like. The front is like heavily dense, like you're gonna have to pluck the front, but we're not gonna do that on this wig. Really, just gonna have to leave some baby hairs out in the front to kind of go ahead and get to look natural. As you see in the part, it is real thick. Okay, so let's get into this wig. Like, this wig hands down is so freaking gorgeous. The texture on this wig makes this wig look natural, so it doesn't look like shiny at all. I love the texture of the hair because it looks like it can be your hair. You do have to leave some hair out like in the front because it is dense around the edges, so you are gonna have to leave some hair out in the front so you can get it to look like yours. The part, it is thick like you do have to pluck the part. But with this being curly hair, really it's not really necessary because curly hair is big anyway. So I just put some concealer along the part, running my hands through it. You don't get any tangling. I didn't get any shedding. I did go ahead and frame some of the front just a little bit, so I didn't get tangling nor shedding doing all of that. So this wig right here is really gorgeous. I love it, and it's short and it's pretty. It's already kind of layered, I guess you could say, but I wanted it to kind of be a little bit layered towards the front. So this wig is freaking bomb. I will leave the details below on where you can purchase this unit at. Like I said, I purchased this unit last year, so I don't even know how much this wig is. Hopefully they done discounted this wig. Let me look it up and see how much it is real quick. Yes, so this wig is like $25 and below, majority of the sites, and then on one site it was around $29. So like I said, I will leave a link down below where you can purchase this wig at. Like, if you like winter hair, fall hair, this wig is for you. Like, it's freaking bomb. I love this wig, like really love this wig. Like, the curls is gorgeous. I am in love with this. Like, the whole look is bomb. So I will leave the link down below where you can purchase this unit at. So make sure if you like this video, you give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, or there are any wigs that you would want me to review, please let me know in the comments down below. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And I will see you guys in my next video.